The CFS-2 is a precision fiber optic stripping tool. Its dual-hole jaw design allows the user to first strip the 2 to 3 millimeter fiber jacket and then strip the 250 micron off of the 125 micron cladding. To use, insert the jacketed fiber into the hole at the tip of the jaw. Holding the tool perpendicularly to the fiber, close the tool at the desired strip length. Back the pressure off slightly, scoring the jacket. The jacket can now be easily removed. To remove the 250 micron coating, insert the fiber into the hole at the bottom of the jaw. Holding the tool perpendicularly to the fiber, close the tool at the desired strip length and push the tool off of the end of the cable. The 250 micron coating will be completely removed. To complete the preparation, clean the fiber with a denatured alcohol wipe. This will ensure your fiber is free from contamination.